Today we are going to see the last topic from the chapter vector. In that, the exercise 5.5. The first example is find a bar dot b bar cross c bar if a bar is equal to 3i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. My b bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. C bar is equal to minus 5i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Solution. Let give what is given. A bar is given, B bar is given, and C bar is given. So write the given things first of all. Then A bar dot B bar cross C bar is nothing but the scalar triple product of A bar, B bar, and C bar. So we can use direct definition of the scalar triple product. The first row as the components of the vector A bar. The second row are the components of the vector B bar, and the third row is the component of the vector C bar. Now 3, we have to find the determinant. 3 into 3 is 9, minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Then minus of minus 1 is plus 1. 2 into 3 is 6, minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. So minus 5. So 4 into 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, and minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. So minus and minus, it becomes plus 15. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 into 3 is 33. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 4s are 76. So you get the answer 110. So thus A bar dot B bar cross C bar is 110. If the vectors 3i cap plus 5k cap, 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, and 3i cap plus j cap plus 4k cap are the coterminous edges of the parallelepiped. These are the 3 coterminous edges of the parallelepiped. Then find the volume of the parallelepiped. Let us first give the names to these vectors. Let A bar is equal to the first vector, B bar is equal to the second vector, and C bar is equal to the third vector. Then we know that the scalar triple product of the vectors gives the volume of the parallelepiped. So use that definition, find the determinant, you get the answer 23. That is the volume of the parallelepiped with coterminous edges A bar, B bar, C bar is 23 cubic units. We use this formula. आपण हा फॉर्म्युला वापरू शकतो कारण A bar, B bar, C bar हे coterminous edges आहे म्हणून. If these are not the coterminous edges, we cannot use this formula to find the volume of the parallelepiped. Okay. The third example, if the vectors minus 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap and I plus 2k cap and I minus pj cap are coplanar, then find the value of p. Let us give the names to these vectors. A bar is equal to the first vector, B bar is equal to the second vector, and C bar is equal to the third vector. Now these vectors are coplanar. Already we saw the property of the scalar triple product. If the scalar triple product is 0, then the vectors are coplanar. Okay, so we use that property. As it is given that the vectors are coplanar, therefore scalar triple product must be equal to 0. So put the coefficients of these vectors, components of these vectors, I cap, j cap, k cap. First row is minus 3, 4, minus 2. Second row is 1, 0, 2, and third row is 1 minus p, 0. 1 minus p, k cap is not there, so its coefficient is 0. So find the value of this determinant, simplify it. You get the value of p as p is equal to 2. Okay. Now moving further, the fifth example is, it is given that C bar is equal to 3a bar minus 2b bar. C bar is equal to 3a bar minus 2b bar. And we have to prove that the scalar triple product of A bar, B bar, C bar is 0. Now how to prove it? So let us consider the scalar triple product of A bar, B bar and C bar. But what is C bar? They have already given that. It is 3A bar minus 2B bar. Given that. So we put the value of C bar. Now this box product is nothing but the scalar triple product. So we write it in that form. So A bar dot B bar cross 3A bar minus 2B bar. Now after simplifying it, B bar cross 3A bar minus B bar cross 2B bar. But we can take this constant outside. So I am writing A bar dot 3B bar cross A bar minus 2B bar cross B bar. But we know that a cross product of the vector with itself is 0. It is also a property of the cross product. Any vector, cross product of any vector with itself is always equal to 0. So B bar cross B bar is 0 bar. 2 into 0 is 0. So what you get? You get A bar dot 3B bar cross A bar. So we can take 3 outside. So 3 times A bar dot B bar cross A bar. Again, its value is 0. Now why its value is 0? Read. Value of a scalar triple product is 0 if any two vectors are collinear or any two vectors are scalar multiples of each other. Here this vector is repeated, so they are the collinear. So the value of this scalar triple product is 0. So 3 into 0 is 0, which is nothing but our right hand side. So we have proved that the scalar triple product of A bar, B bar, C bar is 0. The fourth example, prove that the scalar triple product of the vectors A bar, B bar plus C bar, A bar plus B bar plus C bar is 0. And the second problem is the scalar triple product of A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar, A bar minus B bar, A bar minus B bar minus C bar is 3 times A bar, B bar and C bar. Let us prove this. First, left hand side is scalar triple product of A bar, B bar plus C bar and A bar plus B bar plus C bar. We will write it in the form of dot and cross product. What you get? So A bar dot B bar plus C bar cross A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Now take the cross product of these two vectors. First of all, B bar cross A bar plus B bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar. Then C bar cross A bar plus C bar cross B bar plus C bar cross C bar. Now the cross product of the vector with itself is 0. So already I have put the value of B bar cross B bar is 0. C bar cross C bar is 0. Then this B bar cross C bar and C bar cross B bar, they are in opposite direction. So their value is, they will cancel each other because B bar cross C bar is minus C bar cross B bar and here it is plus C bar cross B bar. So they cancelled each other. What you get? B bar cross A bar plus C bar cross A bar. Now take the dot product of this A bar with these two vectors. You get A bar dot B bar cross A bar plus A bar dot C bar cross A bar. Now here A bar is repeated in the first scalar triple product. Here is also A bar is repeated. So they are collinear. So the value of the scalar triple product is 0. So it is equal to RHS. Hence we get the solution. The second problem is, take the scalar triple product of A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar, A bar minus B bar, A bar minus B bar minus C bar. Keep the first vector as it is, dot the cross product of the two vectors, A bar minus B bar cross A bar minus B bar minus C bar. Now A bar cross A bar minus A bar cross B bar minus A bar cross C bar minus B bar cross A bar minus plus b bar cross b bar minus minus plus b bar cross c bar. Now here the vector cross product of the vector with itself is 0. So a bar cross a bar is 0, b bar cross b bar is 0. Now this a bar cross b bar minus a bar cross b bar, and here it is minus b bar cross a bar. If I write it a bar cross b bar, then it becomes plus. So these two terms will cancel to each other. And what remains? A bar plus 2b bar minus c bar dot with c bar cross a bar plus b bar cross c bar. Now we will take the dot product of each vector with these two vectors. A bar dot c bar cross a bar dot b bar cross c bar, the first one. Then 2b bar dot c bar cross a bar, 2b bar dot b bar cross c bar, the second two vectors. Then minus times c bar dot c bar cross a bar minus times c bar dot b bar cross c bar. Again, whenever the value of the scalar triple product is 0, if any two vectors are collinear. Here a bar collinear. Here b bar collinear. C bar collinear. C bar collinear. So they all these vectors having the values 0. So what remains? A bar dot b bar cross c bar plus 2b bar dot c bar cross a bar. Now we know that the cyclic change in the scalar triple product doesn't change the value of the scalar triple product. So we change the vectors b bar to c bar to a bar. Two cyclic change will gives you a bar, b bar and c bar. This is the 2 and this is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3 times scalar triple product of a bar, b bar and c bar, which is equal to RHS. And now this question is modified as per the answer. Sixth example, u bar is given, r bar is given, w bar is given, and we have to find the following two vectors. The given vectors are u bar is equal to, r bar is equal to, and w bar is equal to. So let us find first u bar plus w bar. Take the addition of the vector u bar and w bar. I minus 2j plus k plus j minus k. What you get? J minus k plus 0 k. This is u bar plus w bar. Now we require u bar cross r bar. U bar cross r bar. Now use the definition of the determinant of the cross product. First row is ijk, the second row are the components of the vector u bar, then the third row is the components of the vector r bar. Simplify it, you get the u bar cross r bar. Similarly, find r bar cross w bar. Simplify. Then consider this u bar plus w bar dot u bar cross r bar cross w bar. This is the scalar product of the three vectors. Is nothing but the value of this determinant. Simplify it. You will get the value 12. Again, this question is also modified as per the answer. The second example, we need u bar cross r bar, u bar cross w bar, and r bar cross w bar. So by step, we will find out the u bar cross r bar, then u bar cross w bar, then r bar cross w bar. Now you know how to find this cross product of the two vectors. Then we will consider this scalar triple product of u bar cross r bar, u bar cross w bar, r bar cross w bar, and we will find its value. Again, the question is modified as per the answer. The seventh example is find the volume of the tetrahedron whose vertices are. Now the tetrahedron vertices are given A, B, C and D. So the given vertices are, let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar be the position vectors of the points A, B, C, D respectively. So A bar is equal to minus I plus 2j plus 3k. B bar is equal to 3I minus 2j plus k. C bar is equal to 2I plus j plus 3k. And D bar is equal to minus I minus 2j plus 4k. Let us find AB bar. AB bar is nothing but B bar minus A bar. Position vector of the second point minus position vector of the first point. Similarly, find AC bar. Position vector of the point C minus position vector of the point A. And finally, let us find the position vector of the point AD bar. AD bar is D bar minus A bar. Put the values of D bar and minus A bar. Take their subtraction, you will get AD bar. So let us find the scalar triple product of AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. It is also called the box product of AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. First row is the components of the vector AB bar. Second row are the components of the vector AC bar. Third row are the components of the vector AD bar. Simplify, find the value of this determinant. It comes out to be 32. Now, the volume of the tetrahedron with coterminous edges AB bar, AC bar, AD bar is nothing but 1 by 6 times the box product of AB bar, AC bar and AD bar. So put the values 1 by 6 into 32, that is nothing but 16 upon 3 cubic units. Eighth example, A bar is given, B bar is given, C bar is also given, and we have to verify that A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar dot C bar cross B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. What it is? It is the vector triple product of the vectors A bar, B bar and C bar. What is given? A bar is given. Note down. B bar is given. Just write it, B bar and C bar. Then B bar cross. First of all, we will find the B bar cross C bar. We get it 6I cap minus 3J cap minus 3K. So now left hand side is equal to A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Then we have to find the cross product of A bar and B bar cross C bar. So the first vector is fixed IJK. The second vector are the components of the vector A bar. And the third row is the components of the vector B bar cross C bar. Simplify. So the left hand side comes out to be 3I cap plus 21J cap minus 15K cap. This is our equation number 1. Now right hand side A bar dot C bar. We have to find, first of all we will find the value A bar dot C bar, then A bar dot C bar into B bar, and then A bar dot B bar and A bar dot B bar into C bar. So A bar dot C bar is nothing but dot product of A bar and C bar. It is just a component wise multiplication. 1 into 2, 2 into 1, 3 into 3. Take their addition, you will get the A bar dot C bar. Now A bar dot B bar, the second one, it is also component wise multiplication. So take their addition, you get 5. So right hand side is A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. A bar dot C bar is 13, so into B bar, and A bar dot B bar is 5 into C bar, multiplied by 13 and multiply this vector by 5. Now take their addition or take their subtraction. What you get? It is 3I cap plus 21J cap minus 15K cap. It is our equation number 2. Now look at equation number 2 and equation number 1. Right hand side of these two equations, they are same. Okay, that means from equation 1 and 2 we conclude that left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence it is proved. If A bar is equal to I minus 2J cap, B bar is equal to I plus 2J cap, and C bar is equal to 2I cap plus J cap minus 2K cap, then find A bar cross B bar cross C bar. The second one is A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Are the results are same? You have to look the results and you have to justify. A bar is given, B bar is given, C bar is given. So first of all, we will find A bar dot B bar cross C bar is nothing but A bar dot C bar into B bar, A bar dot B bar into C bar. So A bar dot C bar is the dot product of A bar and C bar. 1 into 2 minus 2 into 1 and 0 into minus 2. So what you get? It is comes out to be 0. Similarly, A bar dot B bar is equal to minus 3. So the A bar cross B bar cross C bar is nothing but 0 into I plus 2J minus 3 into 2I plus J minus 2K. So this get cancelled. What will remain? Minus minus plus. 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 1 is 3, and 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. This is our equation number 1. Now the second one, A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to A bar dot C bar into B bar minus B bar dot C bar into A bar. A bar dot C bar is equal to 0. Then B bar dot C bar is equal to 4. Put the values in this equation and simplify it. we get minus 4I cap plus 8J cap. This is our equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, right hand sides are not same. As right hand sides are not same, left hand sides are also not same. And what we conclude? We conclude that the first vector a bar cross b bar cross c bar lies in the plane of b bar and c bar. This vector lies in the plane of b bar and c bar, whereas a bar cross b bar cross c bar, this vector lies in the plane of a bar and b bar. Now the 10th example show that a bar cross b bar cross c bar plus b bar cross c bar cross a bar plus c bar cross a bar cross b bar is equal to 0. Let us consider the left hand side. Then use the definitions of the vector triple product. The first vector product can be written as a bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into c bar. Similarly, we can write other two. Now look at these colors: a bar minus a bar dot c bar into b bar and minus c bar dot a bar into b bar. These two will get cancelled to each other. This minus a bar dot c b bar into c bar plus b bar dot a bar into c bar. These two will get cancelled to each other, and the third word is also cancelled to each other. And this happens because of the dot product is commutative, and hence we get 0 bar, which is nothing but the right hand side. Hence the proof. Again, here is also the question is modified as per the requirement. Okay, so this is all about the exercise 5.5.